Hello and welcome. This is Thomas from OtterlyAI, and in this video I'd like to talk about the AI search optimization and all the GEO features of OtterlyAI that help you optimize your brand and website performance across the different AI search engines. Before we talk about GEO and all the cool GEO features, we need to set the foundation for us optimizing for AI search. The foundation contains two things. One, prompts. The prompts defined, the prompts researched, and hopefully categorized that we want to optimize for. You can head over to prompts in your OtterlyAI account to see all the search queries you have defined in the first place, or you can also use the prompt research tool in order to ideate and find new relevant search queries that you want to optimize for in the first place. Check out our dedicated video on prompt research. Step 2, we need to analyze and set the foundations with a brand report. You can create unlimited brand reports to basically see how you're performing as a brand. Check out the brand ranking here, but also how your website is doing from a citation and source perspective. So once you've set up those two things, we can then start talking about optimizing your visibility on the different AI search engines. One of the first things I usually do is I look at the prompt list and I sort here based on the underperforming search queries. Because what you basically already see here are the queries and topics where we are not really part of the conversation. You can see here in my Adidas demo account, I do have a couple of search queries where I'm not visible at all, I'm not mentioned at all. But if we expand here and let's add the domain citations as well, we also see that we are not getting cited and referenced, meaning our website is not sourced here as well. So what can we do? You can do two things. One, you can look at this specific prompt in more detail. You can check out all the citations here. So for this particular prompt, we already see here all the different sources that are getting referenced. And we actually see here that for the one where that is cited most often, we're not part of the conversation. So runrepeat.com here is cited most often, but is not recommending any Adidas related products. So maybe we can fix that. The first gap really is by looking at all the places where you're not part of the conversation. So check this out. We already see here run repeat, find my footwear, YouTube, that YouTube video, and so on and so forth. So this is a great list for your media team, for your PR team, your influencer team to reach out to, build relationships, and hopefully get you included into those conversations. Let's head over to citations. In the citation view, you can actually see all the different URLs that are getting cited across all the different prompts you have defined in the first place. You can actually see that you can also bookmark and star them to save them basically for later. Again, here we can filter for all the places where we are not part of the conversation. We can even drill down on different categories such as news, media, or particular domains, for example. Or think about Reddit optimization, right? So from an off-page perspective, I think understanding those sources driving and influencing the AI answers is super, super important. Step number 3, recommendations. Yes, we do have a dedicated recommendation feature that allows you to do that just faster and simpler. If you head over to your recommendations tab, you will find a couple of options where you can drill down and filter. Let's assume we want to optimize for ChatGPT and we are particularly focused on Reddit and news and media. So now you got all the different recommendations for Reddit, news and media. Check this one out. You already mentioned on this particular news site, we are mentioned, and this article is also getting cited quite a bit across the different AI search engines. So maybe we want to send a thank you email to the author and also mention the impact this particular article has. It's a great way to build relationship and turn that maybe into some follow-on articles as well. Let's take a look at Reddit. We actually have identified here one of the Reddit threads that is cited quite a bit across the different AI search engines, and our competitors are mentioned, but we're not mentioned and part of that conversation. So let's pass this on to our community team. Let's think about ways on how we can get included into those conversations, maybe by activating our community. So long story short, the recommendation feature is really a great place that helps you fast track the optimization potentials, be it off page, such as Reddit, YouTube, Wikipedia, news and media, or on page when you think about your crawlability or your content that's sitting on your own website. Talking about crawlability, I want to show you one last thing. Head over to our GEO Tools. In the GEO Tools, you can run a crawlability audit first and foremost. So let's do that for Adidas.com real quick. Adidas.com. And we want to see if the different AI crawlers are even getting access to our website. This is a great first step to run and check if crawlers can even enter and crawl our website. And actually we see here some potential issues here on the server access level. Oops. So maybe we want to change that. We want to fix that. On a robots.txt, it all looks good, but on the server access, this is already a first big red flag. So let's pass this on to our IT team. Let's get the conversation going to fix that. Step number 2, once we fix that, we can go through some on-page content audits. You can run here any particular URL through our audit, and what you will get are a couple of core metrics, a couple of audits. One, we analyze static versus dynamic content. How much static content do you have on your website compared to dynamic content? Dynamic content cannot be crawled by the different AI bots. How ready is your content itself to be processed by the different AI search engines? And last but not least, how well structured is your content on page? This is a great place where you can also benchmark your own URL with your competitor URLs to see how you land on all of those 3 metrics. Last but not least, I want to show you one more thing. Let's head over to our marketplace. The OtterlyAI Marketplace is really a great place for you to automate and find workflows to do better. Do better on the auditing side, do better on the optimization side of things. If you take a look here, you, for example, can see a couple of agentic use cases for optimizing Reddit, an NADN workflow that already drafts a content brief within your WordPress articles, for example. An FAQ generator that helps you generate FAQs based on the data sitting within your OtterlyAI account. So go head over to the marketplace, check it out. There's some really cool prompts and agent workflows there that hopefully even make optimizing for AI search even faster and better. With that said, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at hello@otterly.ai or check out our live chat on our website and in our app. Looking forward to hearing from you soon. Have a good one. Bye bye.